Welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at Artbreeder. We're doing a quick review of Artbreeder. You see, the Artbreeder.com, that is the website, helps you create like never before. You get to create characters, artworks, and more, powered by AI. It has about 40 million users, 200 million images. You get unique tools like Splicer tool for mixing, to mix, branch, and edit images in a one-of-a-kind creative interface. We have collage. As you can see, this is what I did here. These are the two images mixed with this, give you this. Then we have the collage, where you create an image out of simple shapes, images, and text. You can try it today. We have others. Let's look at others. Yeah, we have the splicer. This is for the collage here. Write a prompt and generate it. Then for the splicer, you get to mix images and edit their genes. So this is the image. You get to edit the genes, the age, the gender. You can see it here. So it's so great. Now let's move on. You also get to explore images. A lot of images for you to explore. So here are some of them. Then it has a vibrant community where you can follow your favorite creators and share your work. These are some of them. It has contests where you can enter and vote on your favorites for the daily team. You can also join the remix parties where you get inspired by remixing images with fellow creators. So it has so many great things. In 2025, it's highly rated for its user-friendly interface, diverse range of AI models, including Stable Diffusion and DALL-E 3, and a strong community focus with daily challenges.